14, 2024, Thursday, and I am your news anchor, Mr. Angelo Marco de Jesus from Grade 4 Andres Bonifacio of San Marcos Elementary School. And you are watching SMES News, presenting an unwavering and equitable news broadcast. And here are the top stories making headline today's breaking news. In-person classes in some regions suspended due to extreme heat. The Philippine Education Department says it is helping schools cope with extremely hot weather. The dangerous heat brought by El Nino phenomenon has already forced schools in 4 regions to suspend in-person classes. This report from Jad Capullo. Jad, parents waited several hours outside elementary school in Quezon City for their children who attended in-person classes Monday morning. Shirley Calapan was among those who hoped that school would declare a class suspension due to extreme heat.
Kasi ako na baka lagnatin o kaya po magsamang pakiramdam. Sobrang init po sa loob ng classroom, ma'am. Yung matinding init po, laging ubos yung baon na tubig.
Classroom of concern teach to look for urgent solution following reports of medical emergencies for some schools. The Department of Health warns that the rising heat index can cause serious medical conditions.
Pwede kasi magkaroon ng heat cramps, papunta sa heat exhaustion. Tapos kung hindi kakayanin, baka mawalan ng malay, magiging heat stroke, isang bagay na nakamamatay.
The surge also reminds teachers and students to stay hydrated. It adds face-to-face classes should be suspended in areas where extreme heat is recorded. The Department of Education will remind school and local government units that they have the authority to suspend in-person classes when weather conditions are not good to classroom learning. On Monday, some schools on the Ilocos region and Western Visayas declared the shift to alternative teaching methods. Some extended the declaration until Wednesday.
Learning disruption. Ang ginagawa lang po natin, ang sinususpindi natin ay suspension of in-person classes na pwedeng ideklara ng ating mga school heads, no, depending on the situation in their schools. Magsa-switch naman ito automatically, no, sa tinatawag nating alternative delivery modes. Modular learning, online distance learning, pwede rin pong assignment of performance tasks.
And assured, schools of funds can be used to buy some equipment to help fight heat inside the classrooms. DepEds wants to buy alternative uniforms that teacher can use at this time of the year. Pag-asa, on the other hand, advise school to avoid scheduling outdoor activities of students during usual hours.
Super aga, yung hindi po after ng 10 a.m. siguro po baguhin na natin yung mga activity or ito naman po kasi usually until 4 p.m. nararamdaman pa rin po kasi natin yung matataas na alinsangan. Yung tinatawag pong alinsangan or relative humidity usually po ay nangyayari pa din po between 2, 3, and 4 p.m.
The Teacher Dignity Coalition, for its part, wants them to shorten class hours and like to suspend other school activities like catch-up Fridays. I am Jad Capullo, SMES News. Back to you, Mr. Angelo. Thank you, Mr. Jad Capullo. This is Mr. Angelo Marco de Jesus, SMES News. Good morning.